Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. Remember to subscribe, click the post notification bell to join my squad. As for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in and I really appreciate. So in today's video, we're gonna talk about Irene Nekesa in the new kitchen. Make sure you watch this video till the end, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone.
Many people are waiting for the Bahatis to move into the new mansion, and finally this day has come. The Bahatis have moved into their mansion, and when you look at their kitchen, it's spacious enough than the previous house. It has the inbuilt oven, inbuilt cooker, microwave, and also a dishwasher. And in this video you're gonna see how Irene reacted to the kitchen, how she's so excited of the new kitchen because it has eased some of their work like washing utensils, So guys, watch this out and see how Irene has reacted to the new kitchen, how excited and happy she is.
Hi guys, my name is Irene Nekesa31. If you're new here, yani mama lao, kama kawaida nimefika kitchen. Msishangae kwa nini Irene na kitchen ni kubwa, anasunguka, si kupika, si microwave, hata ingine sijui bado niko kwa kusoma. Mtu asiuliza ni kwa nini mashine iko wapi ya kuosha vyombo, unasuka na mkono, nimsikia hapo. So kitchen kama kawaida mimi nimefika hapa, ninapika chapo yangu ya raha premium ngano kama kawaida. Iko hapa soft, iko nyororo. Unasapika mandazi, unasapika pancake, unasapika keki, unasapika mkate, any you want. Any food, chakula. Ninachanganya lakini ni sawa. Kila kitu unataka kupika nayo na ngano iko tayari, iko ngatamu sana.
Anyway, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And guys, I'll be back with more videos. Bye.
Sleep, never say sorry.